Oh. You want me to hit to my left? I'll hit to my left so you see me.
You can go out this way if you want. Okay, that's good.
You can't see us then.
Okay, great.
Gotta go this way.
We're here with Bob Gauss again at Tower T. We're going to talk a little bit about sand shots. Before this lesson, Bob and I were talking about different things that Bob's working on. Bob mentioned that some people, like Bob, hit 1.5 inches behind the ball. We're going to talk a little bit about tempo, length of the swing, setup, target decision, and how your alignment's going to be and how that's going to affect the bounce of the club. So, Bob, tell us what you're working on, and
Well,
for like maybe a 20-yard.
well, I'm going to hit a 15-yard bunker shot. I'm just aiming straight to my left. You know, there's two things I might do. I might square up to the shot, which means my toes and my shoulders will be square.
Okay.
Still land 2 inches behind it and blast it out there. Obviously, I'm not touching the ball. The sand's moving the ball.
So parallel to the target.
Parallel to the target line. Or if I want to add some loft, I might go a little outside in, come across the line ever so slightly, and still 2 inches underneath it to kind of pop it up in the air.
Okay, now when you say you're coming from the outside in with this alignment here, is your setup still parallel to the target line?
Setup can be parallel, but mostly it's going to be a little open.
Okay.
If I'm going to open the blade, I'm going to swing outside in, I'm going to make sure I open my body.
Okay.
And everything's going to move along that line. And
Okay. Let's see one of those with the open, a little bit, kind of an outside in cut across.
A little
more
open,
loft.
slightly outside in. You'll notice there's no footwork, there's no knee work, it's very quiet.
Okay.
Nice arm extension, a little bend, but that's okay.
And you notice you hit right here where the ball was about
Yeah,
an
the
inch.
ball, I'd say the ball was probably here. I landed right about there.
Okay.
Usually that divot's going to be about a foot length,
Okay.
but you want to land about 1.5 inches, 2 inches behind the ball is about it. Now that depends, you know. The main thing around the Midwest is you better get in some of these bunkers and see how heavy the sand is.
Okay.
If the sand is heavy, well then I am taking a much bigger golf swing.
Okay.
But that all depends on how much
There's
sand.
resistance to the sand.
Yeah, that's right. If there's a lot of resistance, much bigger swing.
Okay.
2 inches behind it. You know, look at that divot. Not much of a divot.
Not much
there.
of a divot there.
Yeah, pretty. You just. But
Okay,
the key
let's
thing is.
Talk about. I notice you're very level and your lower body's
Well,
quiet.
It's nothing
You
moves.
know, nothing's really
I'm
moving.
moving my hands, arms, and shoulders.
You're
That's
nice and
it.
flat. You're not getting chunky.
Well, there's no reason to move your spine, tilt the spine, or.
Because if you get too forward, you're going to dig it in.
Well, you could dig this way, or we get a little handsy. We dig. So there's all kinds of funny things you do. But you watch a good player; they'll stay pretty steady. 2 inches behind it, finish, head still down, then you look to see where the ball goes.
That's a great shot. What about hand position?
Slightly ahead of the ball.
Okay,
Especially
we're not
if you,
flipping it?
If you square up, no, we're just kind of.
Okay.
We're just kind of. I could hit this shot and just leave the club there because
okay.
I'm not touching the ball. Sand's
Okay,
touching
great.
that ball. Sand moves that golf ball.
Okay. We got one more ball left. Let's see what Bob does here with this one, and let's see the
Nice
good
and
one here.
smooth.
Excellent. Bob,
That's the one we want.
thank you so much today for your time, and we hope you guys enjoyed our bunker lesson.
Cool. Let's do it. On we go.